Good morning. It's Monday, January 2nd, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Hope you had a great New Year's Eve. Hope your football team won. I know my football team won on Saturday. And we're looking at a pretty quiet day today. We do have a storm system moving our direction, which we'll talk about, showing some light reflectivity in parts of northwest Georgia and some clouds in that direction, but nothing substantial as far as any rainfall is concerned. We do have fairly warm temperatures, low 60s in parts of South Georgia, showing a lot of 50s across the state, mid to upper 40s as well. Macon's at 48, Atlanta Airport at 50 degrees, Gainesville at 48. So mild temperatures, and those temperatures will continue to climb over the next couple of days ahead of this frontal system that's going to bring some strong to severe thunderstorms. This is the severe weather outlook for tomorrow. You can see level 3 out of 5 risk. That's the orange color covering a big part of Alabama, the rest of Alabama, and the level 2 out of 5 risk. And that level 2 stretches into Carrollton, LaGrange, into Rome. And then we have the level 1 out of 5 risk. That's the darker shade of green for all of Atlanta, and then down to the south, east of Columbus, and then heading down toward Blakely. General thunderstorm risk, the lighter green. Again, this is for tomorrow. And then as that system pushes in a little bit closer and then kind of reignites on Wednesday, we're going to see a level 1 out of 5 risk for Macon, Augusta, Waycross, Savannah, Dublin, and all of South Georgia will be covered in there as well. So let's take a look at how this is going to play out. As for today, high pressure. See the big blue H off to the east over South Carolina. That's going to be controlling the weather over most of the state. So that's going to bring some sunshine for most of Georgia, some cloud cover in the northwest corner of the state. Slight chance of a very light shower, not a big deal there in northwest Georgia. And then for the rest of the state, just looking at that mix of sun and clouds through the day today into this afternoon. There are those light showers possible around metro Atlanta. And then that high pressure starts to retreat toward the east. Wind picks up a little bit this evening for northwest Georgia. And then through the overnight hours, we'll start to see some of those thunderstorms move across the Mississippi River Valley, crossing into Mississippi as we head into tomorrow morning. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then the wind, some rain starting to pick up in metro Atlanta by tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, there are those showers starting to lose some strength, it looks like, but we're still going to see some pretty good rain. Could be heavy at times, stretching from Bainbridge all the way up through Macon, North Georgia, seeing a good bit of rain. And then more rain as we move into tomorrow afternoon. Take a look at these thunderstorms firing back up again. This is as we head into Wednesday morning now. Wednesday morning, showers, thunderstorms, Rome, metro Atlanta, over Lake Lanier. And then as we head into the afternoon hours, that line's going to slowly push through. So we're going to be watching the potential for some flooding on this. Could see 3 to 4 inches of rain in some locations over the next few days. As you can see, this line, it drives toward Georgia very quickly, and then it just very slowly tries to move out. So we're going to be looking at rain as we head through late Tuesday, then into Wednesday, and then some clearing as we head toward the end of the week. This is a cold front. This is not an Arctic front. So this isn't going to be like the last system where we had extremely cold air on the backside, but we'll drop the temperature a few degrees, and you'll see that here on your local forecast coming up in just a couple of seconds. So that's the very latest from the Georgia Weather Net. Here is that local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.